Hello, greetings to everyone and welcome to the Advanced English YouTube channel. This is basic to advanced English sentences. So let's begin with the first sentence. It's okay. Don't say it's okay. You can say in advanced English no worries. म्हणजेच काहीच हरकत नाही. And next sentence I'm busy. Don't say I'm busy. Say I'm swamped. म्हणजेच मी खूप व्यस्त आहे. And next sentence I'm tired. Don't say I'm tired. Say in advanced English I'm exhausted. म्हणजेच मी थकला आहो. And the next sentence can you help me in Marathi. तुम्ही मला मदत करू शकता का? And you can transform this sentence in advanced English. Could you give me a hand? And friends, next sentence how are you? You can say in advance how's it going? Means तू कसा किंवा कशी आहेस. And next sentence I am fine, thank you. You can transform this sentence into the advanced English. I am good, thanks. In Marathi, मी ठीक आहे, धन्यवाद. Guys, if you practice daily basis of this sentence, your English enhance and reach advanced level. So next sentence, nice to meet you. You can transform this sentence into the advanced English. Great to meet you. Means तुम्हाला भेटून आनंद झाला. And the next sentence, where are you from? You can say in advanced English, where are you based? Means तुम्ही कुठून आला आहात. Next sentence, please wait. You can say in advanced English, hang on a second. Means कृपया थांबा. And next sentence, can I have that? Means मी ते घेऊ शकतो का? You can say in advanced English, could I grab that? Friends, I apologize because there is a lot of background noise. I'm outside, but I still felt that I should create video content for our viewers. As this content is important for your viewers, so sorry for the background noise. Look at the next sentence. Open the window. You can say in advanced English, can you crack the window open? In Marathi, कृपया खिडकी उघडू शकता का? कृपया खिडकी उघडू शकता का? And friends, last sentence, give me a moment. Means in Marathi, मला एक क्षण द्या. You can say in advance, just a sec. Thanks everyone for watching this video.